Okay, kids, I'm back for part 3. Now we're looking for the area of a regular polygon. We're getting to the overarching topic here. So, in this lesson, we're going to see how to find the area of a regular polygon when we're given the side length of the polygon and the apothem. And so, let me start by actually drawing one. I guess I'll just stick to since I've been doing it using a pentagon, but these steps work with a pentagon, hexagon, nonagon, septagon, whatever it is, decagon. Okay, so I'll just draw. Once again, I apologize for my amazing art skills. Okay, so here we go. Now, the goal here is to find the area of this regular polygon. When I say regular, all the sides are the same. And if I'm given the apothem, that's the perpendicular drawn from the center to the side. And supposing I said this were, okay, give me a number. Okay, fine, 8. And supposing I was given the side, 12. Yeah, I'm just making this up. But here we go. When you're given the apothem, and you're given a side length, you're in luck. And I'll tell you why you're in luck. You're in luck because the formula, which is something you're going to have to memorize, the area of a regular polygon equals 1/2 times P times A. Now, this is the equation of the month here. This is the main equation of the whole entire unit or section. And let's define our variables. P stands for the perimeter of our perimeter, and A stands for the, apothem. Forgive me, my writing is, okay. P is the perimeter, A is the apothem. So, the good news is, just like all reading skills, always look at your diagram and do two things. Sorry. You should always look at what you're given and look at what you need. What you need is based on the formula right there. You need two things to find the area. You need the perimeter and you need the apothem. So you look at the diagram and you're like, wait a minute, I have the apothem. I'm lucky. I'm gonna list that. I got the apothem. The apothem is right there. It's 8. I'm halfway there. And you're saying, well, how am I lucky? Because I need the perimeter. Cohen, how am I lucky? Well, guess what? They give you a side length. And since this is a regular polygon, aren't all the sides the same? Like that's 12. This side's 12. This side's 12. That side's 12. What's the quick way to add up 12 when you have 5 sides? Okay, fine. So the perimeter equals the number of sides times the side length. I'm being technical here, but the perimeter is going to be, how many sides are there? Oh, you guessed it, there's 5. And what is the length of each side? You guessed it again, it's 12. And 5 times 12 is what? 60. Because the perimeter is just all of the sides added up. And since they gave us one side length, we have all the side lengths. And the good news is we're ready to land this plane, finish this up, because again, we write a formula. The area equals 1/2 times the perimeter times the apothem. Well, we have the perimeter. It's 60. Substitute. So we're talking about 1/2 times the perimeter, which is 60, times the apothem, which they gave us is 8. And you take your calculator, and I'm not afraid to use my calculator. Sometimes I'll use my calculator to add 1 plus 1 because I want to make sure I get it right. And I don't care how easy it seems. I mean, if I can avoid a mistake, I will avoid a mistake. So the way we multiply 1/2 times 60 times 8 is we go 1 ABC 2, that's 1/2, times 60, times 8 press the equals, 240. Guess what? Our area, put my famous 3 dots, equals 240. And that's square units, but that's my final answer for now. And that is how you find the area of a regular polygon when they give you the side length and they give you the what? Apothem. They gave me, here, zoom in on that. They gave me the side length. They gave me the apothem. I was able to document or write down what the apothem was. I found the perimeter, and I used the formula, plugged in perimeter and apothem, and then thank gosh for my calculator. Done. And if you have any questions, just watch the video again or ask me in class. And that is the end of part 3. So let me stop that.